Is there a piece behind you, Nate? Is there a piece behind you? Behind you? Where's that go? Where's it go? Where's it go? What? That's right. Spin it. Keep spinning. Oh, a little too much spin. You got it!
Yay!
What's next? How about this piece? That's right. How about these pieces? Spin it. Keep spinning. Let's just spin it together. Ready? Oh, you got it. You had it. You got it. What's left? That's right. You got that whole puzzle. What's wrong, baby?
It's not all together.
Okay, I'm coming to help. Good job. Clap, clap, clap.
Yay!
Can you clap for yourself?